Alright.
Your avatar just landed? Are you on the...
Yep. Not me, it's time to walk.
Dagger, we're pinned down! There's a packed checkpoint. We need to take out the MG nest ASAP.
Okay, we have to take out the
Right. What's
machine
happening
gunner.
now? Are you on the ground?
I'm a sniper. And a lady.
Got it.
Crouch.
So, you're dealing with an
Crouch.
enemy machine gunner. What's the plan for taking them down? Are there any cover points nearby?
Okay, I'm gonna take out.
Taking fire!
Shit, pulled it.
Focus, Gecko.
All right. You're planning to take out the machine gunner. You're with the sniper and crouching alongside the lady. What's your next move? How are you going to approach this?
Oh no, I think I need a bullet drop